Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights. This lets you change system network settings without interruptions. Once you have permissions, close any apps that depend on the VPN because they can re-establish routes. Next, open Settings, then Network and Internet on Windows, or System Preferences, then Network on Mac OS. This is the first actionable step. Don't just browse. Navigate directly to the network pane so you can see active adapters and the VPN profile. Once you're in the network pane, find the active VPN profile or adapter. This shows the connection name and status. Click Disconnect or toggle the VPN off. If a confirmation appears, accept it because that ends encrypted routing immediately. If you use a third-party client, quit the app and open its settings to disable auto start so the VPN won't relaunch at boot. Make sure to review adapter status. Once disconnected, routing should revert to your default interface. After disconnecting, verify that your public IP or access to shared network resources reflects the change. This confirms the VPN is actually off. If you still see VPN routes or DNS entries, restart the network adapter or reboot the device to clear cached settings. If issues persist, temporarily disable firewall rules or reset network settings as a targeted troubleshooting step. This resolves stubborn route and DNS leaks. Finally, re-enable any security settings you turned off once the problem is fixed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.